we'll guide you through how to integrate Zapier with NetSuite efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website. Make sure you log in to your Zapier account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new automation. In the Choose a Trigger app search bar, type NetSuite. If you haven't connected NetSuite to Zapier before, you'll need to click on Connect a New Account. This will prompt you to enter your NetSuite account credentials, so go ahead and log in. You might also need to allow Zapier to access your NetSuite data. Make sure to give it the necessary permissions. Once connected, choose the trigger event that suits your needs, like New Customer or Updated Order. Click Continue, and then test the trigger to ensure everything is working. Now, move on to the Choose an Action App section and select the application you wish to integrate with NetSuite, like Slack or Google Sheets. Again, if you haven't connected this app to Zapier, you'll need to log in and allow permissions. Choose the action event for the second app, such as Send Message or Create Spreadsheet Row. Customize the action by mapping the data from NetSuite to the fields in your second app. For example, you might map a customer's email from NetSuite to a new row in Google Sheets. Once you've set this up, click Continue and test the Zap to make sure it works. If the test is successful, you can then turn on your Zap. This will automate the process between NetSuite and your chosen app, saving you time and reducing manual input. Remember, you can always go back and tweak the settings if you need to adjust the automation later. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.